Welcome back to Trend Expert Tech. In Google, search Visual Studio. Download community version of Visual Studio. Now download the file. I have already downloaded it. In the description there will be an example website for Selenium testing. Now open up Visual Studio. Now create a new project by doing the following. Go into Visual C# and then go into Test. Now save the project to your preferred directory. Here you can see it is the right package. Open Chrome and search Catalan Recorder. Now click to add the extension to Chrome. Now open up Catalan. Now open the website and Catalan side by side. Now click Record. Now do the following in the website. Now click Export, and select C3MS Test. Now download Notepad++. Now open the file exported in Notepad++. And copy this section of the code. Now do the following. Now add the latest stable version of Selenium WebDriver. Also add the latest stable version of Selenium support. Also add the latest stable version of Selenium Chrome WebDriver. Now you can see the drivers have been added to the package. Now change the name of project to your choice. And paste the coped code from Catalan. Now add this to the code. This is allowing Selenium to work, and put the following code. Now click Run. Now click Run. To maximize Chrome, put the following code. Now run the test. Thank you for watching our video. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. We will upload every week.